Hey everyone! Welcome to my channel. Today I am going to show what does CEO of mean on TikTok. So, let's get started. If you've been on TikTok lately, you've probably seen people commenting CEO of followed by something. But what does it actually mean? CEO stands for Chief Executive Officer, and it's the title of the highest ranking person in a company. On TikTok, however, CEO of is used more loosely to describe someone who is really good at something or has a lot of knowledge about a particular topic. For example, if someone posts a video, someone might comment CEO. Or, if someone posts a video about their favorite TV show, and they know everything there is to know about it, someone might comment CEO of that TV show. That's it. Remember to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Your comments and feedback are incredibly important to us, so please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching.